Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add expiry date for employee documents in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in Fresa Application. After successful login, this is how our dashboard looks like. Now, navigate to the HR module. Select Employee Master under the HR module. In the Employees list, click Edit for the respective employee. On the Employee Profile page, navigate to the Documents tab. And click Edit for the respective document. In the Employee Documents screen, enter the date of expiry. Set follow-up required to Yes. Select the follow-up date. Add remarks. And click Save Changes. The expiry date has now been successfully added to the document. These are the steps to add expiry date for employee documents in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.